Alright guys, this is the first video. I know a lot of us have been having trouble with distribution, and it's going to only get harder when we start distributing fractions and decimals. So, looking here at what the problem we have a fraction that's being distributed to x plus 3. So what we're going to want to do here is go ahead and distribute this fraction. And when you distribute the fraction, remember, these things inside can be written as fractions as well, and we'll be multiplying fractions. So I'm going to first do it here to x, which is really x over 1. Put it over 1, and then 3 will also be over 1. Sorry about that. This is very clear. There we go. And when we rewrite this, we'll write down here 3x over 4 plus, remember, top times top, bottom times bottom. We're going to look for any cross simplification here when we distribute the 3/4 to this now 3 over 1. And I don't see anything that can happen, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply top times top and bottom times bottom. When I do that, I get 9 over 4. That's going to equal 9. Now, in order for me to solve this problem, it's looking like adding and subtracting fractions. And in order to do something like that, I think we all know by now we need a blank blank. And before I even say blank blank, you guys are thinking common denominator, which is exactly what we need to be thinking of. And because 9 has a denominator of 1, our common denominator here is 4. So CD4, circle that up. And 9 needs to be multiplied by 4 on bottom and on top. Alright, so once we get our common denominator, the nice thing is we don't need that denominator anymore. We can just focus on what was in the numerator. So, what was in the numerator here was a 3x, so I'll take the 3x. What was in the numerator here was a 9, so I'll take the plus 9. And now over here on the other side of the equal sign we get a 36, because 9 times 4 is 36. Okay. And I'm a couple steps away from solving this. Remember, at this point we want to undo the addition or subtraction that's going on, so I'm going to go ahead and take away the 9 that's being added here, inverse operations. And when I do that, oh, not a very good line there. Doesn't really matter about the line. I get a 3x equals 27. One step away, and that would be to divide both sides over here by 3. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by 3 and divide by 3. And as you can see, 27 divided by 3 is 9. X is going to equal 9. I would box up my answer there. Excuse my writing with this pen, it's a little bit hard, but you get the idea. Anyways, this is distributing with fractions. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And if you have more questions, come on in the morning or after school, and I'd be more than happy to help you figure things out. Alright? See you in class.